Okay guys, you need to fix faulty fire alarm systems immediately. If your fire alarm system is giving out false alarms, then you're going to get fined quite a bit if you don't fix your system. So you must fix your fire alarm system right now. Not only will faulty alarms cause big fines, but if your alarm system is so faulty and it is going off all the time, people will ignore it and it'll be real dangerous if the real thing comes. And if your alarm system is totally broken, that will not be good too. So you need to fix a faulty or broken alarm system. Even if your alarm system is working properly, there could still be false alarms because someone might activate a pole station as a joke or a prank. You might put a smoke detector too close to a kitchen or a bathroom. And something like that. Put stopper covers over pole stations and keep smoke detectors away from kitchens and bathrooms and in other places that there can be a lot of steam. I mean, doing that is going to make sure that emergency responders can respond to a real emergency and making sure that people take the real alarm very seriously. So you must fix your faulty alarm system now. And even if it's working properly, you must do something to prevent it from going off for no reason. Bye!